Hi there mga beloved yung soulmates! Welcome to Renzo Tara Channel. Andito lang po yung lingkod para bigyan kayo ng isang soulful and meaningful letter reading. Dito lamang po sa inyo lagi naabangan. At hindi subaybayan na Renzo Tara Channel. May kami ka-shoutout po sa lahat nating soulmates sa buong Pilipinas at sa buong mundo na lagi nanonood. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. Ang ating pong reading ngayon na pagsasamahan ay isang bonus reading para sa ating mga pinakamahala na sa sign ng Scorpio. Okay? Scorpio, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus sign. This is for you. Kapag bago po kayo sa ating channel at di pa po kayo nakasubscribe, please do subscribe po. Huwag po kayo mahing mag-comment, like, and share. And of course, kapag napanood nyo po ito sa ating TikTok account, ay please follow also. Mag-direct message po kayo sa ating TikTok account, Renzo Taro 444 kapag gusto nyo pong mag-avail ng ating personal reading. Okay, ulitin ko, this is for you. Scorpio, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus sign para sa yung bonus reading. Then last shuffle at kunin na pa natin ang iyong 10 baraha. Okay? So, sige. Scorpio, tapos na natin shuffle, kunin na natin yung 10 cards. Spirit Universe, Spirit Guides, Angels, Ancestors, Holy Spirit, Saint Michael, give me 10 cards please for Scorpio. Maraming salamat po sa inyong walang sawang tiwala, support at pagmamahal simula noon hanggang ngayon hindi nyo po kiniwan. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. Utang na loob ko po sa inyo ang success po ng Renzo Tarot Channel. Sige po. So, you have 5 cards already. Last 5 cards pa po para sa inyo. Mga pinakamahal nating nasa sign ng Scorpio. I hope you're doing great. I hope you're healthy, you're safe, and of course, you're happy. Maraming salamat po sa inyong walang sawang tiwala, support, at pagmamahal. So, your 10 cards Scorpio are now complete. Huwag na nating patagalin ito. Okay. Let's begin with the Two of Wands. I can see your Scorpio na parang may mga plano ka daw na nais simulan. You have a lot of things running on your mind as of now. Or parang nakikita ko dito parang undecided ka pa. So if you are waiting for a sign, if you saw this video, so this is the perfect time para gumawa ka na ng action or para talagang makapag-decide ka na. Because I can see here na parang may naantay ka na lang talaga for you to take off or parang gumawa ka ng isang decision, but I can see here you're in the state of decision making. So the Star card, so this is a very beautiful card also because whatever decision na gagawin mo na maaaring pinagpipilian mo with this Two of Wands, I can see here that it will yield a positive result or talagang good news kumbaga makakamit mo dito. So Star card, so this is a card of hope, this is a card of good result, blessing, abundance, prosperity. So with the Star card, so expect that your life will be shining in the upcoming days, in upcoming months, or in the future. So Scorpio, claim mo na to. Malayo to doon lately sa mga sitwasyon mo na parang you're very stressful, punong-puno ng anxiety, depression, gulong-gulong isipan mo. You really want to give up, Scorpio. But here with the Star card, this is a confirmation that your life will be moving forward, your life will be shining, and you will be receiving a lot of good news and blessings in the future. Okay? So, tingnan natin. I can see your leadership role or parang some following for Scorpio. Maybe if you're working on your promotion, you're working to something na parang mag-elevate ng yung position or parang something na talagang magpapa-level up na yung current situation, maybe at your work or studies or maybe business related. So expect more good news to come, more customers, more clients. So with this, tingnan mo itong 6 of Wands, talagang may tagasunod sa'yo, may mga tagahanga ka. So Scorpio, expect more people that will be inspired by you or talagang makukuha mo ang attention nila. So may mga Scorpio na parang kahit paano ay medyo magiging matunog ang pangalan. So but I can see here this is more on leadership role for you, Scorpio. Okay? So pang-apat is the Four of Pentacles. So if you're worrying about your finances, your money, so Scorpio, expect improvement kasi dito. So hindi lang siya basta-basta pera, but this is like an abundant money. So maybe this is a loan or like an incentive, a bonus, or whatsoever. So expect more money to come. Yung nasa ulo mo, Scorpio, yung hawak mo at yung dalawa mo pa is more on money. So expect a stability, expect more blessings to come in your way, but in the form of finances. So congratulations in advance, Scorpio. I know that you've been waiting for this for a long time. Maybe this is a back pay, this is an incentive, this is a bonus, or salary raise or kung ano man tong inaantay mo. So maybe this is a money, kumbaga, maaring pinagbentahan ng something property na parang binenta mo for a long time, or maaring utang na babayaran ka na. So expect good news about it, Scorpio. Okay? So big amount of money talagang parating. So claim mo na ito, Scorpio. Ace of Pentacles signifies abundant blessing. But this Pentacle is money. So this is not only, it's like, hindi lang to normal or parang konting pera, but this is a very big amount of money that is coming for you. So ipa-claim mo na to. Just comment, I claim it. Ipag-pray mo to, i-manifest mo na to. But with this star card, so you are guaranteed na talagang in the soonest time, this blessing, this abundance is coming on your way, Scorpio. So maybe just a matter of perfect timing. This is just a matter of patience para sa iyo. Konting tiis na lang, konting tiyaga na lang, ay darating din ito. So you will be celebrating in the soonest time. You will be so happy. You will be contented and fulfilled kapag dumating na itong big blessing para sa iyo. Okay? So, before we proceed to our last 5 cards sa ating second row, Scorpio, ulitin ko, kapag di po kayo nakasubscribe at nagustuhan nyo po ang ating reading ngayon, mag-subscribe po kayo, comment, like, and share. And of course, kapag sa TikTok nyo po tinapanood, paki-follow naman po, like, comment na rin. At kung gusto nyo pong mag-avail ng ating personal reading, huwag po kayo mahiyang mag-direct message sa ating TikTok account, Renzo444. Okay? So Scorpio, for your bonus reading, ang yung pang-anim na baraha is the Death card. So something bad situation, something toxic situation, relationship, friendship, or maybe stagnant situation in your life will be come to an end. Patatapos nito with this Death card. So alam natin, kapag natatapos ang isang bagay, isang sitwasyon, ay may kapalit itong mas maganda. So whether you like it or not, maybe kung ano man ang maging paraan itong pagtatapos na to, ay kailangan mo itong tanggapin ng buong kalooban, and you need to move forward. You need to move on kasi mas malaki, mas maganda ang kapalit nito para sa with this Death card. So your life will be moving forward after all those painful experiences, after all those struggles, disappointments, and frustrations in life. So all of those ay matatapos na with that card. Ang kapalit nito ay patuloy na you will be moving forward a life filled with blessings, happiness, and contentment para sa iyo, Scorpio. Okay? So, pang-pito, so kung nakikita mo, this is in reverse. So lately siguro parang ang daming disappointments, ang daming kalungkutan kang naranasan, but here, dahil bumaliktad ito, so expect a very smooth situation in terms of your mental health, in terms of your self. Siguro lately parang may konting disappointment ka, frustration na naranasan sa mga tao, sa trabaho, sa paligid mo, sa relationship mo. So expect matatapos na yun dahil nag-reverse naman itong 5 of Cups natin. So expect na magtutuloy-tuloy ang magandang sitwasyon ng buhay mo. No more stress. I can see na mag-enjoy ka na lang muna with this star card. Tatapusin ito, papalitan pa ito ng mas magaganda, mas maraming blessings and abundance for you. So you don't need to worry, you don't need to stress yourself. But if this is Scorpio, you just need to focus on your goal. Kung meron mang konting mga, disappointment, that's part of the process. That's part of how we deal our life here in the universe. So, you just need to move forward. Ang napaka-importante dito ay hindi yung paano ka magpapapekto sa mga problema, but in how are you going to stand your ground again? How are you going to pick up the pieces of yourself again and tatayo ka muli para ipakita sa lahat na kumbaga kaya mong bumangon, kaya mong magsimula muli. Okay? So, we have here the Four of Swords. So this is also a reminder for you, Scorpio, na baka lately ay parang na-overwhelm ka, parang ang dami mong mga responsibilities to the point na parang kulang na yung tulog mo, you're restless na, parang mental health mo, yung oras ng pagkain mo ay parang nasa-sacrifice mo na rin. So this is not the best time para busuhin ang sarili mo. So this Four of Swords, Scorpio, is a reminder by the universe for you to at least have time to rest or maglaan ng oras sa sarili mo para magpahinga kasi parang nade-drain ka na, mahirap na kapag maubos yung energy mo sa mga bagay-bagay na, I know that is very important. It is urgent. So, but hindi pwedeng ma-compromise naman yung health mo with the Four of Swords. So, kinakailangan talagang balance ang lahat. And with this Four of Swords, so you are being reminded again to please prioritize yourself also. Kung hindi na talaga kaya, kung talagang kailangan na talagang pagsamayin, but at least maglaan pa rin ng konting panahon para kumbaga magpahinga, tamang oras ng pagkain, tamang oras ng pagtulog. Kasi nakikita ko dito kapag hindi mo makontrol ito, kapag hindi mo magawa ng paraan kung paano ito balansehin. Baka maapektuhan ang iyong mental health. At the same time, physical health also. Baka mag-manifest na ito sa more complicated na mga, chronic diseases or kung ano ang nararamdaman mo. Siguro nga, I can see your Scorpio, may mga signals na sinasend ang katawan mo but lately ini-ignore mo lang, pinapabayaan mo lang. So, hindi na to pwedeng lumala pa. So, please have time to rest. Okay? So, pahinga-pahinga din, relax-relax din pag may time. Three of Swords. So, I can see here talagang maraming Scorpio. Parang may mga dinadala pa rin sa puso na parang disappointment, kalungkutan. Maybe, kumbaga, latak ito. Kumbaga, ito yung residue. Yung mga konting natira pa sa mga lately na grabe yung pinagdaanan lately. So, kasi itong mga nakaraan, grabe yung suffering, grabe yung pain na dinil nila. Tapos, eto, nasa sitwasyon pa rin sila, nasa period pa rin sila ng moving on and parang nasa healing period pa rin sila. So that's why with this Three of Swords, hindi, kumbaga, this is not surprising at all na marami pa rin Scorpio. May konting natitirang mga kalungkutan sa puso na dinadala, disappointment, medyo heartbreak. So, para I can see her later on, magsisettle naman ito, malalagpasan nyo na rin naman ng mga Scorpio. At magagawa ng paraan later on, they will be so happy, they will be happy again. Kumbaga, they will be moving forward again at makakalimutan na nito at they are going to continue uh, taking the path of recovery and healing. Okay? Scorpio, for your 10th and last card para sa bonus reading, we have here the Five of Pentacles. So, this is a reminder for you kasi may malaking blessing na parating. So, kapag nakuha mo na to, you are advised to monitor or manage your finances well kasi this is Five of Pentacles, this is stagnancy. Maaring baka mamaya kapag ma-overwhelm ka, hindi mo ma-monitor yung labas-pasok ng pera mo, baka mamaya maubos na naman ito ng hindi mo nagastos sa tama sa mga importanteng bagay. So, you are being reminded na talagang maghigpit ng sinturon, magtipid lalong na sa panahon ngayon na ang hirap kitain ng pera, ang daming mga nangyayari. So this is not the best time para magastos or parang, parang magwaldas ng pera sa mga hindi magagandang bagay o mga hindi naman importanteng dapat pagkagastosan. With this Five of Pentacles, so this is a big reminder for you, Scorpio, na to hold your hold your horses in terms of managing your finances. So, kailangan talaga na maghigpit, magtipid, kailangan mo talaga matutunan na kumbaga ayusin ang yung mga diskarte o kung mga techniques or ways in terms sa paghawak ng pera. Okay? Kasi baka mamaya biglang ma-mismanage mo itong Ace of Pentacles, big amount of money and blessings that is coming on your way. But all in all, this is a very positive, this is a very light reading for you, Scorpio. I hope and pray na marami na sa sign ng Scorpio makapanood ito ngayon. And ngayon, I'm wishing you all the best in life, Scorpio. Ulitin ko, kapag di po kayo subscribe sa ating channel, please do subscribe sa ating TikTok account. Please follow na rin. And kapag gusto niyo po mag-avail ng ating personal reading, don't forget to, huwag po kayo mahiyang mag-direct message sa ating TikTok account, Renzo Tara 444. Thank you so much mga pinamahal kong Scorpio na soulmates. Nasaan mo kayo ngayon naroon, ano mga ginagawa niyo, mag-iingat kayo lagi, and God bless us all.